This is my final project for CSEE2210. It is a prototype of the system we were asked to conceptualize in the engineering design process assignment. What I designed or thought of was Stream, which is a system to reduce energy automatically. And the way it kind of worked in a nutshell was it learned and it used AI to learn a user's schedule and kind of power off certain devices or lights to save energy when not in use. The way this prototype works is it uses a piezoelectric disc right here, and what that does is it's able to sense movement, and it kind of acts like a motion detector. So it'll respond to whether a user is in the room or out of the room, and it can adjust the devices accordingly. But as a stand-in for all the electronics that Stream could control, I'm just using an LED for simplicity. But this LED can kind of be generalized to all the electronics in a home that Stream would potentially control. So here's how it works. Here's a demonstration. Here's the serial monitor. Notice how it's off at first, but then when I kind of slam the door, that acts as a slam. The door's shut. It had some bouncing. So now it says the room is occupied and the light turns on. And if you notice, there's a little thing where it reports the average as well, which is the average time between knocks. That was a feature that was supposed to be added, where it would kind of learn the user's schedule, but due to time constraints, I was not able to implement this. But you should see that the average between the knocks is going up because I waited a long time between the two knocks. So it's off because the LED is off because it's unoccupied. Turns on. So that's kind of an example of me opening and closing the door. So here I duct taped the piezoelectric disc to my door so it can determine if I enter the room or leave. Notice how the LED is off, indicating that I'm not in the room. I'm going to simulate entering the room by opening and closing the door. And so now it thinks I'm in the room, so the LED is on. All electronics have been powered on, basically. So now when the user leaves, the hope is that he saves energy by reducing the time it takes to power off all electronics.